Welcome back to Cooking with the Co-op. Today we're going to be making a local cucumber and tomato salad. First we have our local sweet cherry tomatoes from BlueMoon Farm, just about 4 miles away from the co-op. We've got sesame seeds, organic cilantro that we've minced up. We've got PrairiErth's organic local cucumbers. We've got organic ginger that I've also minced up. Sola Gratia garlic and red onion. We're also going to be using toasted sesame oil. It's going to be a really great flavor for the salad. A little bit of organic cane sugar, some rice vinegar, and a little sea salt. So the first step that we're going to do is we're going to make the dressing. So we're going to be doing 3 tablespoons of our sesame oil. Then we're going to move on to our rice vinegar. Next, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of cane sugar. You could also use maple syrup or any sugar that you have in the house, like brown sugar. Next, you're going to add the sliced red onion, a teaspoon of sea salt, stir it together. The next part that we're going to do is we're going to add our minced garlic that is local from Sola Gratia Farm. And they're also about 3 miles away from the co-op. We're gonna add our minced organic ginger. I've peeled the skins off the ginger and minced it up pretty small. And then I'm gonna stir this together so it starts to infuse the herbs into the onion and dressing. Next, we're going to add our cucumbers. These amazing cucumbers come from PrairiErth. Then we'll add our cherry tomatoes, which come from BlueMoon Farm. We'll follow through with the cilantro, adding that in there. And then some sesame seeds that you can find in our bulk section. And you just stir it all up. And there you have it, your local tomato cucumber salad, spiced with ginger, garlic, a little toasted sesame, and cilantro.